Hello students of class 12, welcome, and it is the first video of nutrition in your class 12. I will start with the very first chapter, which is section A, chapter 1, utilization of food by the body, and which is digestive system. Okay, so it is a chapter which is based on biology, which is in the digestive system of our body, of our human body. So we all know the food that we consume, that we used to consume, that from our mouth, then after taking it, it get digested, absorbed, assimilation happens, and then the ingestion happens. Like it in the final product that we consume by our mouth, it is usually digested. After digestion, the nutrition happens, the nutrition of our body, and finally the excretory products are being removed out from our body, okay, by the feces. So the food that we eat contains a variety of nutrients which are used for building new body tissues and repair damaging tissues. So it is the main function of food, we all know. Food is also vital to life because it is only our source for chemical energy. So what is the next point of consuming food? To get the energy, right? However, most of the foods we eat consist of molecules that are too large but be used by our cells. Food molecules are complex which have a simplified in our body before the body cells can utilize it. So it is very common, like when we consume one biscuit, okay, so like this biscuit, it can't be absorbed in our body, right? So after that our teeth is doing the crushing and grinding of this food, and then we consume it. Then many of the lipolytic, many of the amylolytic, proteolytic enzymes are there in our gut, and it usually breaking it down into small pieces and make it in the simpler form, and after that it can be absorbed in our bloodstream. So it is nothing but a complex mechanism, right? So the digestion, today's topic is digestion. The digestion is a process, okay? So therefore foods must be broken down into molecules and small enough and simple enough to enter in our cell. So this process is called digestion, okay? So what is the digestion? Digestion is a Latin word which came from dissolve. To dissolve, it is a Latin word, okay? So what is the digestion? The digestion, what is the definition of the digestion? Like the process of converting complex food molecules into simple forms that is easily absorbable and assimilable forms with the help of enzymes. While food passes through the different parts of the body or of the digestive system, is known as digestion. So it is the main definition of the digestion, that it is a process of converting complex food molecules into simple forms that is easily absorbable and assimilable forms with the help of the enzymes while food passing through the different parts of the digestive tract or digestive system, okay, is known as the digestion. So what are the process of the digestion, or what are the steps of the digestion? The first one is ingestion. Second is the digestion. Third is absorption. Fourth is assimilation. And fifth is utilization. Okay. So by these 5 procedures, we actually obtain the full term nutrition. Okay. So these are the processes of the getting the nutrition. So the medical specialty that deals with structure, function, and diagnosis and treatment of the disease of the stomach is known as gastroenterology. What is it? Gastroenterology. It is a new term. Okay. So mainly our digestive system. So first we know about what is a digestion, and then we are going to know about what is the parts of the digestive system. Like, okay, our digestive system is actually divided into 2 parts. First, what are they? The first one is alimentary canal. Okay. And the second is digestive glands. Alimentary canal and digestive glands. So by this procedure happens. So by this alimentary canal, it is actually starting from the mouth and it will aim to the anus. Okay, many of the parts like the stomach, esophagus, like the small intestine, large intestine, everything is on it in this alimentary canal or digestive tract. We all know about that, digestive tract. And here the digestive glands means are the secretory glands. What are the secretory glands? Like liver, like pancreas, the salivary glands. Those glands are secreting the enzymes, the proteolytic, the lipolytic, the amylolytic enzymes. 3 types of enzymes are present actually in our body. The digestive glands are used to secrete these enzymes. Okay, so these are the basic parts. So in the next video, we will discuss about the alimentary canal along with the picture, and also about the digestive glands and from which gland which enzyme produced, about that. Okay. So in the next class, we will talk about that. Till then, thank you.